Hi, this is Gary Ellis and you are watching WCKV. I am standing here in the lobby of Agiro, a brand new call center that is being located right here in Clarksville, Tennessee. Standing beside me is Kathy Tulucky. Kathy, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks.
Great. So tell our audience a little bit about what has happened today and why this is such an exciting occurrence for Clarksville.
We've had an amazing day here today. We had our ribbon cutting. We had more than 50 associates here, as well as the mayor, economic development, our founder, and we're very excited to be here in the community.
So when selecting a site for this new call center, you told me there were over 200 different cities that you guys were looking at, and you settled in on Clarksville. What about this community attracted Agiro to this city?
Clearly it was the people. We love the people of Clarksville. They've been, they have strong customer service skills. They've been very welcoming. They're very friendly. They like helping people. So it was a real good natural fit for us.
Awesome. Now, you guys are going to be hiring some people. How many people are you going to be hiring this year?
250 this year, 250 next year.
250 this year, 250 next year, a total of 500 people over the next 24 months. They've already had 4,000 applications that have been submitted. Am I correct?
You are correct.
So if you're interested in being 4001, please come here to their address. What is your address?
2971 International Boulevard.
2971 International Boulevard. Stay tuned. We're going to have another interview with one of their staff members here to find out some more about this great company that is now here in the Clarksville community. Thank you. Hi, this is Gary Ellis and you're watching WCKV. I'm here once again at Agiro with Will Fugat. He is the Director of Operations here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the culture of Agiro and what makes them so unique and such a standout organization in our community and amongst the call centers. Will, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Great. How old is Agiro? Is it 5 years, 10 years?
We just celebrated our 40th year. Actually, October 1st, start working on our 41st year in business.
That's very interesting. As a company, it's evident that you guys have been very successful. What are some of the internal systems you guys have put in place to encourage productivity amongst your workers and to encourage growth?
Right, we're very metric driven, but more than that, we're people driven organization. I mean, we focus a lot of time and energy on coaching, developing, and recognizing good performance, good behavior. So we have a very family atmosphere here. We encourage growth within the organization. And a great thing about being new to Clarksville is on the ground floor, we have tons of opportunity. You know, we'll be hiring additional supervisors and support staff and managers over the next several months. So people coming in today are getting in on the ground floor of that opportunity, which is great.
I think one of the things that have really just caused me to look twice and to really appreciate what this company represents here is that most call centers have a very negative reputation for being a sales call center and getting on people's nerves. But you guys do something very special, and that is that you make each person feel special because of the nature of the service you're providing. Am I correct on that?
Yeah, I mean, we don't call ourselves a call center, we're a response center. And our associates deal with individuals who are in their time of need, stranded on the side of the road. Could be a new driver with a flat tire on the interstate or a mother trying to get home to their children. So, and we embrace a hero culture, and we call our employees heroes because every day they have an opportunity to help somebody in their time of need, get them back on the road and get them where they need to be. So, you know, we're not selling services, we're not doing tech support or troubleshooting. We're actually dealing with people as if they were our family members, and as if, you know, it was you trying to, you know, help save your family member off the side of the road. That's how we treat our employees. So, and we treat our customers that way. So we embrace that culture, and our employees like coming here because they go home at the end of the day and they feel like they really accomplished something. They've helped at least one person, probably 20 to 30 people a day.
Well, I just want to take a moment to tell you thank you so much for coming here and for allowing me to have just a brief moment of your time to talk to our audience about what's coming up. You'll see the information below with their address if you're interested in applying here. I highly encourage you to do so if you're looking for a job. This is a great company, and we're so honored to have them in our community. Thank you.